Hello, welcome. This is Shruti Shami. Today I'm here with a South Indian chicken recipe called Chettinad Chicken. An aromatic and spicy chicken curry prepared using roasted spices and coconut. The first step is to marinate the chicken pieces. I have 1 kilogram of chicken and I'm going to marinate it with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt, juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, and half teaspoon of chili powder. Marinate and allow the chicken to rest for 30 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, we will get ready with our chettinad spice mix. Add some oil to a heated pan. I'm going to roast 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Keep stirring continuously until it's golden brown. Add oil if required. As you can see, coconut has started to change its color. Now the coconut has turned nice and brown. Remove from pan and allow to cool. Next we will roast the spices. For that, to the same pan add some oil. I'm going to throw in some spices. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. 4 cloves. 1 star anise. 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks. 1 black cardamom and 3 green cardamoms. Half teaspoon of fennel seed and half teaspoon of cumin seed. One bay leaf, and finally 4 red chilies. Roast them for 2 minutes. Add 4 cloves of garlic. Roast it for few more seconds. Once done, remove immediately from pan to avoid further cooking. Allow the spices to cool for some time. Then transfer it to a grinding jar along with the roasted coconut. Grind it to a fine paste and set aside. Next, to the heated pan, add some oil. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Saute for a few minutes, then add in finely chopped ginger. Throw in some curry leaves. Once the onions have turned nice and brown, at this stage, add in the chettinad masala. Pour some water to jar to remove leftover masala. Mix well and allow to simmer for a few minutes. Then goes in the marinated chicken. Cover and cook the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes. Almost 15 minutes. The chicken is cooked and ready. Check for salt. We have already added during marination. If required, add more. And finally, the aromatic and spicy Chettinad chicken is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves before serving. So hope you all will try this Chettinad recipe at home. If so, don't forget to share your experience. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also to share it within your group. Thank you for watching.